All right, let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is the game where you get an equation like this. It's a scrambled up math equation. You have to unscramble it and make an equation that works. So the green multiplication sign is telling us that the green is telling us that multiplication has to go here, and then everything else being purple means that it has to move. So nothing else is in the right place. So when you get multiplication and just multiplication, it's going to be a double digit times a single digit equals a triple digit. So I know that to be true. There's no other way this equation is going to work out. So I have to figure out two numbers that multiply to a triple digit number, which is not an easy task. So I think I'm going to focus on the single digit number and try different numbers here. So if I put a 4 here, now I'd like to try the ones digit, different digits in the ones place to see if they can combine to make this ones digit make sense. So if I can't use 3 here. I've already used the 4, so the next number I could try here is a 2. 2 times 4 is 8, so this would have to be an 8, and it can't be an 8 because the 8 can't go there. So 2 doesn't work with the 4. If I put a 1 here, this would have to end in 4, so I already used the 4. That doesn't work. If I try to put a 7 here, 7 times 4 is 28, so this would end in an 8. Again, can't put an 8 there. If I put the 8 here, this is the first number that's actually worked. 8 times 4 is 32. This number would end in a 2. Cool. So now I can actually try some tens digits to see if anything works. So the first one I come across is the 3. So 38 times 4, I think, is 172. This might actually be it. No. Wait. Yeah. No, it's not. Okay. 40 times 4 would be 160. So 38 times 4 is definitely less than 160, and I would need this to be 172. So 3 doesn't work. I already used the 2. 1's not going to be big enough. We need it to be a triple-digit number. 7. Okay, 7 looks like it might be promising because I think that's going to be in the 300s. Because 80 times 4 is 320. 78 times 4 is 2 4s less than 320, so 312. There's an instant nerdle for you, dude. Very nice. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.